What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to an adventure with... Good to see the weed store still open, because that's essential to living. I know I cut my intro off there, guys, but do me a favor. If you have small children in the room, now is a good time to pause the video and ask them to leave or watch this video later, because Bearded Bobber is ready for a rant. Alright, so 3. Well, let's get on the freeway. How about that?
Maybe you could walk with me.
Guys, I don't normally take you on the freeway, but I got somewhere to be, and I actually had stuff to do today. This is day 1. This is Friday, first day of quarantine for California, the whole fucking state. As some of you know, I am a small business owner, and apparently to a non-essential life choice. That I get. But how many places are apparently fucking essential is fucking ridiculous. Last I counted, it was over 21 different kind of places and jobs that still get to work, but I'm sick to take my fucking ass home. It's not like I have a family and bills and stuff to do with my life, that I've rebuilt my credit, been a good part of society, listening to the fucking law. This is the first time I've been able to let it out, and I'm sorry it's coming to you guys, but this is raw, this is me. And I know there's one guy out there watching this video smiling his fucking ass off. My shop helps not only myself, but a couple people that work there and their families. And one of the guys has a newborn baby, okay? His lady just went back to work a couple weeks ago at a mall, which is now closed. A lot of people not listening and not doing this, and it's causing more spread and more mass hysteria. I'm not even worried as much about the virus. I'm worried about the stupid ass people piling up toilet paper. There's a dad out there who apparently did all the math on how many shits a day it would take for all the toilet paper somebody bought and the amount of time that we're supposed to be on quarantine. It's like 187 shits a day. 187 shits a day. You small-minded motherfuckers, man. Take a shit. Take a shower. Figure it the fuck out. I kept my shop open until I couldn't. No one came and forced me to close. But that's not what this is supposed to be about. I shouldn't be there waiting for someone to come tell me to close. They close bars. You know, what am I, a full-time fucking YouTuber now? Yeah, because that's going to pay my bills. That's going to keep food on my kids' table. You know, I had to go to Home Depot and get more locks for my business and lock my business up so it doesn't get robbed. And even then, hopefully the security cameras, security system, locks do their fucking job and we don't lose some of our shit. We took half of it out already. But I went to Home Depot to get these things. You know how many people over 60 I fucking saw? I didn't want to count. Over 60 going to the fucking Dollar Tree. You don't need your fucking knickknacks right now. You need to keep your ass home because we're hoping you don't fucking die. There's barely any, like, I think there's one case in California where somebody in the 30s died. Because if you're healthy and in a younger range, you should be okay. Like fucking chickenpox, where all of us get it and let it pass. But the old people can die, and we don't want them to die. But they're out at the fucking Dollar Tree. They were the first ones that were supposed to stay home. My dad's in pretty good health. He's got a couple things on the list. He's got that, and he's in his 50s. I have to worry about him, and these old fucking bags are going out. And I'm sorry to say that, I respect you guys, but you're going to the fucking Dollar Tree during a pandemic. You're fighting stupid people over toilet paper. And you people fighting old people over toilet paper? Fuck you! I'm more sad than I am mad. I'm ready for Mad Max, are you? That's what you should ask your fucking self. I got supplies ready. I got my truck ready. I'm ready to fucking run some people over and get the fuck out of here if need be. But I built a business and my kids have a good life, and I'm trying to fucking keep it that way. Oh, so if you guys are wondering, lockdown day one's going pretty fucking good. I don't know. Are we doing good? How's the fucking freeway look? A lot of selfish motherfuckers out there, and y'all need to calm the fuck down. I'm not saying you need to take this fucking prepper serious, but you need to take it serious. And a lot of you guys who didn't think preppers were a good idea, you're looking at it in a whole new fucking light. Somebody, you probably digging out, you know, bunkers in your fucking backyard right now like it's blast from the past. They're already rationing shit off because all you guys are buying up everything, and normal families don't get to have normal groceries for the week. I know that, because as you guys can tell, I'm a chubby guy, and I like my fucking pasta. And you took all my fucking pasta! I had to go to 3 different stores to get a couple boxes of pasta. You sons of bitches. And apparently nobody likes Progresso soup and Arrowhead water. But it's food, so I'll fucking take it. And Arrowhead, I like Arrowhead water. I don't give a shit who does or who doesn't. Fucking ridiculous. Oh, okay. I'm feeling pretty good. Thank you guys for this therapy session. For me. I really hope you guys are all being safe. I'm really worried about a lot of people out there. Open Rotor Chris is in Italy and he's been on lockdown for like a week. I'm sorry, man. Our lockdown's not clearly not as bad because ours doesn't know how to get their shit together. I really hope you guys are staying safe out there. I know you are, but if you guys haven't, go check out Open Rotor Chris. Check out his channel. He's got a bunch of bitch. If you are locked up right now, me and Chris, Meatball, Bicasso, we all have some really cool trip videos. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put together a file on my channel with everybody's trip videos, and they're not gonna be like detailed moto vlogs or anything like that. They're gonna be like us going to Big Bear, my trip to the Grand Canyon with the kids. Chris has a bunch that he can upload to the file of his couple like big trips that he did on the bike. I think Bicasso has a bitchin' one of when we went to Big Bear. Meatball Rebel has Big Sur. I'm gonna get them all in there so you guys chill back in front of the big screen and watch those. Hang out with your family. Be safe. maybe it'll ease the tension a little bit. I've been watching videos myself, so because I mean we're gonna go under serious fucking lockdown soon. What? And the people not taking this serious are gonna be the reason that if we see martial law, it's the fuckers not taking it serious. Man, the weather's starting to get beautiful too. It's cold, but fuck, man. Well, at least I have time to put my exhaust on. Alright guys, stay safe, stay classy. Go check those guys out. Check that folder out, and I'll put up a playlist. And just go give Open Roader some love. Meatball's under lockdown. David, I can't talk, man, sorry. NEPA, he's on lockdown. I think Bicasso has to work from home. J-Fast is worried about the Canadian dollar. We're out here trying to live, guys. And hopefully we'll have a live stream tonight. This video will probably go up Saturday morning. It's Friday when I'm recording it. Alright guys, with all the love from the Killer Bees, like I already said, stay safe, stay healthy, stay classy. Later guys.